I hear your voice in passing cars, in broken songs and falling stars. The world moves on, but I remain locked in this never-ending pain. I try